Welcome to Fleeway Creations. For this inexpensive Valentine's Day DIY, I utilized silver spray paint, an X-Acto knife, a pastry box, a cute pink stuffed animal, and Valentine's Day necklaces, both purchased at Dollar Tree, as well as my hot glue gun. I first took my pastry box and began to dismantle it at the seams. I located the top of the pastry box and then flipped it over. I then took my X-Acto knife and began to trim off the tabs at the top of the box. I then took my glue gun to seal the box together on the opposite side. I spray painted the outside of the box and allowed it to dry. I then took my necklaces and began to remove the plastic piece that connects the beads. I then removed the round beads on the ends of each of the necklaces. I took my hot glue and began to glue the red necklace horizontally around the box. I took the pink necklace and glued it to the box as well. I continued this pattern until the entire box was covered. Here is the finished box. This cute little pink bear was purchased from the Dollar Tree. I decided to make a cute little necklace for the bear using the beads that covered the box. I took a pink and red necklace and glued the ends together. I then took the necklaces and wrapped them around the bear's neck to determine the length that was needed. I glued the two loose ends together after cutting. I then twisted the necklaces. I took the bear and wrapped the necklaces around its neck. Hot glue was then used to bond the ends of the necklaces together. This empty box can be used to hold pens and pencils or as a vase for decorative flowers. Expressing your love doesn't have to be expensive. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.